Star Wars actor Mark Hamill gave his stamp of approval to a young fan's BB-8-inspired prosthetic. Edinburgh 11-year-old Cameron Miller got a pretty cosmic surprise, a custom Star Wars prosthetic arm. In a video by Open Bionics, the maker of the prosthetic, Cameron said he was really super happy about the special design. His intergalactic surprise got even better when actor Mark Hamill, who played Luke Skywalker, responded to the video, tweeting, "Congratulations to you for Open Bionics getting you that really cool bionic hero arm, Cameron. They say you are a big Star Wars fan, and I just want you to know that I am a big fan of yours. And watching this video made me super happy." Luke Skywalker loses his own arm in the film series.